Hey, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to renew your server. To renew your free server after the 1 hour expiration has completed, all you have to do is head into that free server and then click on the button on the top right. Then press renew. That'll get you another hour on the server. Keep in mind that if you've not upgraded within 24 hours after the expiry, the free server will be permanently deleted. To upgrade, you can just press upgrade at the top, select the plan and size, and then wait for the server to make the necessary changes. To renew your paid plan server, all you have to do is head to the server that is expired, and then you'll see a reactivate button next to it. There, all you have to do is press it. Reselect the plan, size, location, and finally the payment method. Then you're all done. Simply wait for the setup to finalize, and the server will be reactivated. It's easy as that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I was able to help you set up your server. Bye guys.